Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make egg tuna salad. First, let's get those eggs ready. Start by boiling 6 to 8 large eggs for about 10 minutes until they are firm. Once cooked, immediately transfer them to an ice bath to cool completely. This makes peeling much easier. After they've cooled, peel the eggs and chop them into small, consistent pieces, setting them aside for later. Next, let's prepare the tuna and other fresh ingredients. Take 2 5-ounce cans of tuna and drain them very well to remove excess liquid. Then, finely chop 1 stalk of crisp celery and about 1/4 cup of red onion. These add a wonderful crunch and flavor. Also, have your favorite seasonings ready, such as a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a dash of paprika. Now it's time to bring everything together in a large mixing bowl. Carefully add your chopped, hard-boiled eggs and the thoroughly drained tuna. Next, incorporate the finely chopped celery and red onion. Then, add about 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Gently mix all these ingredients until they are well combined, ensuring everything is evenly coated for the best flavor. Finally, let's perfect the flavor and get ready to serve. Take a small taste of your egg tuna salad and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add a bit more salt, black pepper, or even a touch more mayonnaise for creaminess. Once seasoned to your liking, you can serve it immediately on crackers or bread, or chill it for at least 30 minutes for enhanced flavors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.